Let's start how to find unit digit of an expression. Here our interest is to find only unit digit, that is first place digit. So we don't require remaining numbers. So any big number, whenever you are asked to find unit digit, our interest is only about units place. For example, we have 3743 into 1283. Here in this final expression, as you require only units place, you don't need to worry about all these numbers. So only take this units place and get me the answer. So what is this units place? 3 into 3, 9. So the units place for whole complete expression is the units place multiplication of only this digit and this digit. If it is like 3789 into 99, now in here units digit we are interested in only first digit. So 9 9 is 81. Even we are least bothered about 81, only one. So this is units digit. Units digit means only one digit, that is first digit from right side. Okay, how to find in an expression? We have expression like this: 73 into 21 into 42 into 81. How many digits, how many numbers you might have? Your interest is only to find units digits. So take only first numbers, that is 3, 1, 4, 2. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 6 1 is 6. So units digit is 6. When you are in the expression, this is the way of finding. How to find units digit for indices, that is like this format. A is the base, B is indices. Whichever is in the power, that is called indice. The problem is in this format, how to find? We have a shortcut. I'll tell you the logic behind the shortcut, then I'll tell you the shortcut. Say, for example, if you take indices for 2, as you go on increasing, 2 power 1 is 2, and if I write only units digits here, like 2 square is 4, 2 cube 8, 2 power 4 16, so I require only units digits, so I wrote only 6 here. So like this, if I go on, wrote only units digit, if you see it here, you'll find a pattern here. What is that pattern? First, it started with 2, 4, 8, 6. And again we have one more pattern, 2, 4, 8, 6. So the pattern repeats for every 4 cycle. So it is following 4 cycles. So for every 4 powers, it gets repeated. It again starts 2, 4, it will go here. For 3, it is also 3, 9, 7, 1, 3, 9, 7, 1. Okay. So again it is following 4 cycles. So irrespective of the number, irrespective of the base, whatever you have, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever number you have, it is following only 4 cycles. So by considering 4 as a reference here, so if you are asked to find what is the units digit for 2 power 38, so write in terms of 4, that is 2 into 4, 9 are 36 plus 2. Okay, so as this gets repeated for every 4 times, so whatever is the remainder, that is enough for you. You don't require this one. So this is nothing but 2 square is nothing but 4. So the units digit for 2 power 38 is 4. Okay. From here we get 3 conclusions here. One conclusion is this is 4 cycle. If the remainder is 1, the answer is 2. If the remainder is 2, answer is 1. Remainder is 3, answer is 8. If remainder is 4 and it's a 4 cycle, so this is, if the remainder is 0, then this is the answer. Got it? So this is the answer. So because you won't get remainder as 4, because we are checking for 4 multiple. It gets repeated for 4 times. Okay, so here, wherever if you have 2 power 12, as 12 is a multiple of 4, so the answer unit digit for 2 power 12 is this one, 6. Okay, similarly for 3 power 12, if it is multiple of 4, then the unit digit is 1. Okay, now take another number which is like, so 4 power 12. 4 power 12 can be written as 2 square 4 power 12, which is equal to 2 power 24. Again this is multiple of 4. So that's why you will get same units digit for this also. Similarly, for if you have 8 which is equal 8 power 12, which is equal to 2 cube whole power 12, you will get 3 power 2 power 36. It means that 36 is a multiple of 4. Again you will have same answer here. So what is the conclusion here is, not only the answer will be same for 2, it is also same for 4, 8 or 16. So answers will be same. Right? Now I'll give you a procedure for finding units digit for indices. Write, divide B with 4. So if remainder is 1, then units digit of a power b is a power 1. If remaining is 2, units digit for a power b is a power 2. If remainder is 3, then units digit for a power b is a cube. If remainder is 0, that is normally if remainder is 4 or 0, 4 gets multiplied, so obviously you will get remainder as 0, then for units for a power b is a power 4. So if this 1 gets here, so whatever is the remainder you will get, that will go to this a power 1, remainder 2, 2, 3, 3. If it is 0, you have to add 4 here. This is universal rule. And I can give you more shortcuts, but they are specific to each one. Like if you have 2 power 5, 5 has a rhythm of only 2. I can again classify the shortcut, but it won't be more useful. During examinations, if I give specific shortcuts, like that will be applicable for only some numbers that cannot be remembered during final exam. That's why I'll give standard procedure that is applicable for any numbers. Fine. Let's take 3 examples here. What is the units digit for 4 power 2020? First, try to find out what is the remainder if you divide 2020 with 4. The remainder is 0. So whenever you have a 0, the units digit will be the base whole power 4, which is again equal, if you want to write, it is 16 into 16, 4 square into 4 square, 4 power 4. So here again take only first digit, 3 3s are 6 6 are 36. 36 means units digit is 6 here. So now take it here. We have two numbers, 13 big number. So as we are interested in only finding units digit, we take only this digit. We least bother about this one. So here, so far it is almost equal to units digit of 3 power 2019. If you divide 2019 with 4, the remainder will be 3. So here it is 3 is 9, 9 is 27, units digit will be 7. So same is applicable for expression. So here this is divisible by 2020 is divisible by 4. So the remainder is 0. So for this the remainder will be 2 power 4 into here 41 will be if you divide 41 with 4, the remainder will be 1. So it will be 7. It is nothing but 60 into 7. Again you require only unit digit. Remove 1. 6 7 are 42. So it is unit digit is 2. So wherever you go, your interest is only on unit digit. So if you have two numbers, avoid second number, take only unit digit. Like this we repeat for any number of numbers, and this is universal. It is called again advantage number. If value is 0, 1, 5, 6. If you have 0 here, whatever is the power here, 0 is something, always your unit digit remains same. So unit digit will be 0. So irrespective of value of b, whatever number of times it is. If it is 1, again it will be 1. If it is 5, you will get 5. It is 6, you will get 6. These 4 numbers are exception. For remaining numbers, you can apply that rule, like divide by 4 rule. So if you find difficulty in remembering this, apply that 4 rule for them also. This is also applicable for this, but instead of going to this is our common sense that gives you answer very easily. If you have in the units is 0, 1, 5, the numbers will get reflected as it is. So no need to again go for that method. This is exception, like added advantage numbers. Okay, in finding unit space. We are solving like these problems. Okay, as you know, the unit digit is 6. So irrespective of power, if the base is 6, the unit digit will be 6. Okay, for 7, if it is 7 power 4, 7 power 4 is nothing but, okay, it is a multiple of 4. Whenever we have multiple of 4, the unit space will be unit space for 7 power 4. That will be 7 power 4 means 49 into 49, 9 9 81. So unit digit will be 1. And here 9 power 3. 9 power 3 means, so what the unit digit is for 9 power 3? So if it is easy to remember here, 9 9 9 into 9, 9 9 is 81. 1 is here, 1 9 is 9, so it is 9 also. So if you do it the calculation for 6 minus 5, it will be 5, 5 minus 9. So normally here you will get the answer of minus 4, but unit digit cannot be minus 4. So what we have to do is we have to take borrow from nearby number, because this is only unit digit. You can borrow some number from 5. If you borrow it here, you will get 15. 15 minus 9.
To my channel Connecting Minds. For more videos, please share link with your friends. Thank you.